This refreshing watermelon margarita is the perfect drink for those who want a fruit puree in their cocktail. Enjoy a cooling sensation of sweetness and tanginess with every sip. In a blender, add the watermelon and puree until smooth. Strain the watermelon puree with a fine mesh strainer to remove the pulp or any leftover seeds. Then, transfer into a cocktail shaker and add the lime juice, tequila, and ice cubes. Shake well to properly mix the ingredients. Place some kosher salt on a small plate, then rub the lining of your margarita glasses with a lime wedge. Invert the glasses and dip in the salt to coat the rims. Pour the margarita mixture into the glasses, garnish with lime wedges, and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.